how to use forms in Monday.com 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Monday.com and how you're going to be able to use forms in it in the easiest way. So to do so, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to this project management board, and right here, you're going to click on Add View. Now, once you click on Add View, you're going to scroll down to this section where it says Forms. And once you click on Forms, it's going to open up this form builder for you. So you can easily start going ahead and build a form by clicking on Edit Form. Now, once you click on Edit Form, if you use Google Forms or any form builder out there, you're going to be easily affiliated with this because it's really simple to use. You can add in images, add in sections, forms, layouts, add in different types of texts, and even text alignments. So once you're done with all of this, simply copy the form link, send it out to people, and that is how you're going to be using forms in Monday.com. So yeah, thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.